Hey, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Fibonacci trading strategy video of those kind of Fibonacci concepts and all the other concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So, yes, that was it. Let me draw a Fibonacci level here, and then we are going to see if I can show you some trades based on Fibonacci. So yes, nice. I will do a put here because this looks like a trend continuation. Yes, not a fake breakout. This is a trend continuation of this downtrend because we are here in no man's land, and that's the reason why I'm doing a trend continuation, because I'm sure that price will continue to going down. We have price action on the left. We have a long distance, so I can expect here some kind of nice huge victory candle. Yes, because of the distance between the 61.8 and the 100 level, which I have drawn here. Yes, so I took the, okay, that was nice. So I will do another put now. The entry point was a little bit late, yes, but I'm sure that the price will continue to going down because the next stop is here. So let me show you this. So the next stop is here, and that's the reason why I did a put. So the next stop, yes, that was the next stop, yes, and we broke through this stop, yes. That was the next stop, and that's the reason why I'm expecting now that price will continue to going down, yes. I have seen this with my own eyes without any ratio, yes, but because we broke already through this, yes, I was sure that price would continue to going down. So let's see what's happening. Market is doing some kind of panic, but I'm sure that this will be in the money because we are still not reached the 100 level. So, and this one is a clear put again, yes. And that is if the price is in no man's land, I can only recommend to do trend continuation trades. Yes, do trend continuation trades till the next level, till the next key level. Yes, because in no man's land you should do trend continuation, and the reversal trades only at the key level itself if there are candlestick pattern which are telling you that this will happen. If there are not the candlestick pattern, yes, don't trade at key level. You have to have some evidences, yes, because mostly, and don't get fooled by the running candle, yes, by the movement of this candle, because the candles will trick you, yes, and that was it already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.